Welcome back to another video of Bluetooth Knowledge. In this video, we're going to talk about how much money I lost investing in TIME Wonderland. Let's take a quick look at the chart. This is the TIME Wonderland coin. I started buying around here, around 17th of November, and I sold the 31st of January. I bought high and I sold low. Okay, let's take a look at my transactions. I first bought TIME Wonderland at 17 November. I did some research at 15 November, I think. 2 days research, just looking at the project. I really liked the project at the time. A lot of hype, a lot of similar DAO projects did really, really well. And this one was the second largest project. So I thought, why not? Had some extra cash. And I started first investing 182. I wanted to invest more, but I thought, let me just wait, let me just put a little amount. And as time has gone by, I bought way too quick. 3 days later, I put another $230 into this project. A week later, the price started dumping, and I bought another $100. And I also added some transactions fees. These are the gas fees I paid. Yeah, using the Avalanche chain, so you get a feeling how much you could expect to pay. Of course, I paid here a little extra because I think the market was very congested at that moment. There were a lot of transactions. I couldn't include some odd transactions like withdrawal or when you first start staking this coin or selling this coin, you need to do a lot of approvals, and that can it also takes it does the amount can sum up, and I paid approx $15 for this. With the withdrawal, I mean withdraw from exchange to my MetaMask wallet, and yeah, that and approval and other gas fees, also gas fees for just transferring, etc. So in the end, I paid a total of $540, and total fees I paid just for this whole thing, all the transactions, 3 transactions, and also withdrawing and approving, I paid $18. The total amount that I bought was 0.061 time, and of course I staked it, because when you stake it, you get a pretty high APY of 81,000%, meaning if the price of time would remain the same and I put $1 into it, and I stake the coin and I receive every 8 hours interest, after 1 year I would receive 80, that $1 would transform into 800 dollars. Yeah, $800, because the value goes up 81,000%. So $1 would change into, or transform into $800 if the price of time would remain the same. But in this case, it just kept dumping. Okay, let's go back. So I staked it, and as you can see, I bought at 3 different times. At the 31st of January, my 0.061 memo was, with all the interest that I received, was worth 0.22 memo. I sold it and I converted it into AVAX. The price of time when I sold it was $376. The last time I bought this coin was $7,800. So this was a very painful decision for me, and $82. And the total loss was, I invested a total of $540, and I lost $456. And the reason why I sold this is because of a lot of FUD. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, doubt, and there was a lot of FUD going around. The reason, other reason why I also started selling it, because um, if we not only Wonderland has had a lot of negative news, but also if you just look at the other coins, yeah, the weekly is doing pretty well. But let's take a look at the number one coin, Olympus DAO. This one has not been performing so well. If you just take a look at the max, as you can see, similar like Time Wonderland, this has been going down. And these two coins, Olympus and Wonderland, are the um, two main coins to look out for when you're looking at the rebase tokens, because these two are rebase tokens, meaning that you get a pretty high APY when you stake your coin. Like for Wonderland, it is 81,000, and for Olympus DAO, I think was something like 8,000. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of coins has not been doing so. I also invested in Rome DAO. This coin has, yeah, this maybe is up 25%, but if you take a look at the browser scale, you can see it was, oh, this is the market cap. Let's just take a look at the price. It started at 1,400. I think I bought it around 1,000, and yeah, the price has just been kept dumping. But don't forget, you do earn interest if you stake your coin. So a better fuel would be the market cap. Why the market cap? Because when you buy the coin, you um, you have ownership of a certain amount of the coins, and every time a new coins get minted, you get a share of that. So there is not always inflation, but um, let's assume there's no inflation. If there's no inflation at all, every time the supply grows, your bags grows as well. So yeah, that's approximate it. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I sold Time Wonderland, is just because the DAO market, the rebase token market category niche, has not been performing so well, but it has been for the last 7 days, as you can see, and the 24 hours. Some coins are rebounding, but this is too much risk for me, to be honest. Um, Not only that, but also some specific things about Time Wonderland I didn't like one of the um, hedge fund managers is a felony, has had a bad track history, etc., etc. But I won't go too deep into that. But I personally didn't like that, so that was really, yeah, the main reason why I decided to sell everything and not to hold my bags. I still have little money in Rome DAO, to be honest. So yeah, that basically sums up this video. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.